He stands with gifts in every hand, more blessings than his arms can span. Each shining piece a hopeful call, yet all at once they start to fall. The world has offered him so much, a flood of promise he can touch, but every treasure brings its test to choose the path that serves him best. Too many gifts can cloud the view when every dream is pulling through. He learns to hold what feels most right and set the rest back in the light. He lifts one dream with quiet care, another waits beside him there. He cannot chase them all at once or carry a weight that feels too blunt. He learns that focus clears the way, a chosen path can guide the day. By letting go he finds his place, a calmer breath, a steady pace. Too many gifts can cloud the view when every dream is pulling through. He learns to hold what feels most right and set the rest back in the light. Abundance grows when hearts align, when space is made for what is mine. He finds his peace in choosing well, a simple truth his soul can tell. Too many gifts can cloud the view when every dream is pulling through. He learns to hold what feels most right and set the rest back in the light. Finally, clarity comes when you choose what you can hold.